की होया? अच्छा चलो
की कोई जख्म है?
हाँ ऑपरेशन हो गया।
चलो आ जाओ। बैठ जाना ना।
राशि दी था कितना ना अच्छा अच्छा भाई
ठीक है जनाब,
बहुत शुक्रिया जज़ाकल्लाह। अल्लाह क्या नाम है बेटे आपका?
शकील
शकील शकील खान
जी जी
आफरीदी यूसुफ जई माशाल्लाह मिशाल यूसुफ जई के खानदान। वो फैमिली उधर ही है पीछे।
लाहौर
लाहौर। कब से सेटल है लाहौर?
एक फादर है
जी
तकरीबन 60 साल हो गए
7 में
60
60।
मेरी पैदाइश लाहौर
अच्छा फिर लाहौर ही हो गया कि
जी, जी,
60 साल जिथे हो गया कि मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਖਦੋਖਾਲ ਦੇਖੇ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੋਸਤ ਬਾ ਜੋੜਦੇ ਨੇ।
Done it on 3 occasions now. He's shown New Zealand the woodwork, and they have said, I'll have a piece of that, and he said, no, I'll have a piece of you.
Followed in by the Yorker, good right boot as well from Lonnie Ferguson. It's 24-28 for two.
right ingredients, right treatment, 100% total directors by software with Hello Hair and innovation. Confidence 100%.
Great form. Next challenge for England. Trial by spin. Santner into the attack.
It was a bit quick because it was about as quick as you'll see Mitchell Santner bowl in the spell. To be perfectly honest, he won't be darting it in. He'll be floating it, and it gets slower and slower.
Oh, exactly as Ian Smith said. Running has to be good.
Bithell always wanted it. Brooke did respond well to quick enough. As soon as it went past Santner, Bithell was already quite a long way down. Just okay.
This is the battle for me. Santner against Brooke. Brooke sometimes can go early against spin when he goes down the pitch. He gives you a little signal. And Santner is brilliant at picking up signal. He bowls it slower, he bowls it wider. This is the battle. Oh! Brooke played spin brilliantly. Kelly against Pakistan, using his feet, then staying back deep in the crease as well. He's always been a good puller, actually, of spin bowling. Picks up length really quick. That shot is his shot. Pick up length and hit over mid-on and mid-wicket.
Best volley bowled. Mitchell Santner, and speed to the key here, and we'll keep emphasising it because it's so hard to hit the slower you bowl. The first volley bowl was 89k. Dropped the second one back to 77, so you're looking at a 12k difference in between deliveries. That one, 88.9. It didn't seem that way through the year.
That variation up and down, going through the gears. No signal as well. There's no sign when you're facing up to him that he's going to change the pace. He has the same arm speed. And that is nailed. Excellent from Bethel to end the over. Reverse sweep. Contest on here. It's 34-2 after 5.
मतलब कमाल extra fizz, extra taste, stronger Pepsi. Significantly enjoyable, extra price. SPF 30 धूप से 97% तक बचाए, विटामिन सी सीरम बनाए अंदर से ब्राइट। ये है नॉन स्टिक with no white cast. New Glow and Lovely Bright UV Duo Sunscreen.
34-2. 60. Dismissed early again. Extraordinary shots, and Jacob Bethel finished the previous over. The hard hit reverse sweep. Trial by spin from here on in, and that's a good test for Bethel, who struggled a little more against spin in this competition than against pace. Gracewell, this competition. Gracewell left with that calf injury. Job with the bat in the previous game, got it to do now with the ball. Foroughi gets home. There are twos to be had. England, remember, hit 14 twos against Pakistan up in Kelly. They'll be eyeing that long boundary for some more. Yeah, you have to adapt the game. Unbelievable betting. They're still on this time. Look. Wide off. Pace and spin. Climbing up that list. Bethel finds the gap this time. England starting to motor now towards the end of the power play. They end the power play 47-2.
Zinmil. Ocean F7. Watch us move.
Just clear your head. Clear your head with the all-new world's #1 men's shampoo.
Line no frost refrigerator range. With the convertible zone, switch temperatures from -20 degrees to 5 degrees with a simple touch. Dolly's cutting design for better.
Ocean F7. Watch us move.
Feel a splash of watermelon.
थोड़ा लैग कर रहा है। अब कुछ कर ले। Let's be cool. ठीक है।
Incredibly difficult shot. Not many players in the world with that level of skill.
This is where we are, 47-2. New Zealand 54 from 9 power play, but lost their openers very soon afterwards, whereas Bethlehem and Brooke have just started to get their partnership going. I feel this is going to be a key contest. Mitchell Santner, bowling slow, that's the way to go on this surface against England's best player, Harry Brook, and most dangerous player.
Helping batters through this stage is so important. Sort of right throughout the New Zealand innings that there's times new batters to the crease find it difficult to get off strike, difficult to find boundaries. It's so important that one of these two bats deep.
Oh! There is the pace. Pace you would say 78 kilometres per hour. Big striker against spin tonight. 5 kilometres, 145, 102 to those slower deliveries. Sam, the master at varying his pace. He's such a brilliant, deceptive bowler. That one that just hangs in the air. Sheed is England's equivalent.
This is a great example of why when the pitch is slow and turning, the slower you bowl, the more turn you'll get. Also, more as a batter you feel as though you have to make all the pace.
Excellent from Sandman. Cross in front of Bethel off his own bowling. Might be calling for a new shirt. Brilliant. Big strike. I would imagine it's going to play an important part in building pressure and creating chances. So, the Kiwi captain. Oh!
In 200 meters, make a U-turn.
It's off the stumps. That's it for a single to deep backward square. 50 up, 50 off 7 overs, 50 for 2.
Make a U-turn, then turn left.
Pakistan's highest-selling 7-seater SUV, the Oshan F7 launches. I use Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, tea tree और mint oil से करें dandruff का soft हो. Hello Hair Anti-Dandruff Shampoo.
Choose from Glenn Phillips, Rachin Ravindra, who bowled excellently.
Turn left, then turn left.
A couple of nights ago. He showed his leg spin as well. Should be out. Really has to change his words. And you can see from the reaction there from Glenn Phillips and from the rest
Turn
of the
left.
New Zealand fielders what that wicket means. It's not just any old wicket, it's Harry Brock. He did such good nick. Brilliant 100 last game. He's been on fire tonight with some beautiful shots, but this time he tried.
In 200 meters, turn left toward Jinasgar Street.
Phillips doesn't quite get it out of the middle of the bat. Errol Mitchell, beautiful set of hands. He doesn't make any mistakes. Glenn Phillips, he's pumped. Have a look at him go.
Turn left toward Jinasgar Street, then turn right onto Jinasgar Street.
अबू बकर इधर से टर्न होना है आगे से अच्छा
Turn right onto Jinasgar Street, then turn left onto Ashraf Lane.
इसमें गली में जाना हाँ
Dear passenger, before you leave, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Thank you for choosing Yango.
Turn left toward Jinasgar Street, then turn right onto Jinasgar Street.
आगे से गाड़ी मुड़ जाए हाँ जी आगे
Turn left toward Jinasgar Street, then turn
सीधे
left.
जाके ना राइट टर्न लेंगे तो बाहर निकल जाएंगे उसी पे जा रहे हैं शुक्रिया बेटी अस्सलाम वालेकुम